Hi, I'm Ellen, and today we'll be going over how to find and personalize your store link through your EDO Next portal. Let's get started. From the My Projects dashboard, start by pressing on the book you are looking to link. The Yearbook home web page will have a Cell tab near the top of the window. There will be a drop-down menu where you will see a button for Setup Link. When pressed, this page will provide a number of details, but we are going to focus on the section for Set up my link store account. Here there is a QR code and a My Link URL. This is what we are looking for. Both when shown or linked will navigate to your current yearbook's link page. Parents can purchase yearbooks, ads, or upload photos depending on what you have enabled in your account. This is all done with the same dedicated URL. Under, there are a few alternative options such as adding password access and customizing your storefront link. Click on the red Setup Dedicated URL text to adjust the address. This is a great option for cluing in your customer that they're buying from the right school and current book. We recommend adding your school name and year to your dedicated URL, like this. Make sure to grab this link whenever creating a new book to ensure that customers are buying from the updated storefront you're selling from or asking them to upload photos to. And that's it. Thank you for choosing EDO Next as your yearbook designer software. See you next time.